Okay, so terminal.explorerKind customizes what kind of terminal to launch. Now, this description is not at all, well, descriptive, but I'll show you what this means. So this actually pertains to what happens when you right-click a folder and choose the Open in Terminal option. It has nothing to do with this terminal right here. It's not going to change anything here. It just changes. What happens when you click this option. So because it's integrated, if you try and open that in the terminal, you're just going to open the integrated terminal. If you change it to external, and by the way, this is not iTerm by default, this is terminal by default, and it's going to open the external terminal, and the external terminal in macOS is terminal, by default is the terminal app. So if we do that, we're gonna open the terminal app. I do enjoy iTerm a little bit more. So now if we try and do that, it's going to open iTerm, which is very useful. Now, I actually find this to be a really nice shortcut to opening an external terminal, because it's so easy to open the integrated terminal. You just press I think it's Shift Command backtick. No. Shift Control backtick. There we go. And you can just use Shift Control backtick to open and close the integrated terminal, so it's very easy to get to. Now the external one, at least in macOS, you have to do, if you didn't have this option, you would have to do something like this. Reveal in Finder, and then you would right click the folder, go to Services, and open Terminal or iTerm too, right? And then you would have the terminal. And when you do that, it opens one extra window sometimes. Don't know why. But then you would have, you would be on that folder in the terminal, which is, it's a bit cumbersome. I would rather just do that. Much easier. So I'm going to leave this option with external.